Hello, in front of me I've got Baseus Bowie WM05. In this video I'll show you how to manage ambient sound control. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are connected with your smartphone app and go to Baseus app. Enter ambient sound, and now you can select between normal, transparency mode, and noise reduction mode. Before, make sure you are currently wearing your earbuds. Now, for noise reduction mode, you can select outdoor, indoor, commuting, and custom. And for custom, you can change noise reduction depth. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.